What's going on, guys? I thought I'd do a little throwback here, take a trip down memory lane. I was just doing some charting and kind of taking a break. I got this freaking killer, like, pinched nerve in my shoulder. So I was just kind of going through some stocks. And you guys remember Wish, right? Who remembers Wish? Remember the whole craze? I mean, remember, like, can we think back to, like, late 2020, even early 2021? I mean, things were just flying, right? Like, so many stocks up like where they should never been. Like, it seemed like simpler times, right? Like when you could just buy anything, any company, any valuation, and it would just go higher. I remember making videos back on Wish when it was being like heavily traded, and a lot of people, on social media were talking about, Wish to 69 and Wish to 30, Wish to 15. I remember having a conversation with somebody, I forget where, whether it be YouTube or maybe my personal Discord. That link is down in the description box below if you guys want to join the Discord. But somebody telling me, it's like, I remember I still have this old trend line here, two old trend lines. $15 on Wish and then 7. I remember this $15 was acting as a heavy level of resistance, right? So we had already pretty much, whoa, what happened to my drawing tool? We had already, came off highs of $30. I can't even believe that. We came off highs. We had an aggressive downturn. Then we had a little bit of a dead cat rally bounce. And then we had that second leg down. And then we had this little bit of we had the second little dead cat bounce. And it was like right in this area, right around this time, right? May time, somewhere around there, April, May. I was having a conversation and someone's like, Wish is coming back. And I'm like, well, what's the price target? And they're like, well, I want to get it back to like 25, $30. And I'm just like, well, look at, how about this? How about don't buy Wish until it reconfirms 15, right? Because here's my thinking. Okay, here's our resistance, $20. I was like, if you get $5 out of this stock, good job. Like, is it going back to 30? I don't know. Is it going to 69? That seems freaking crazy, right? So I'm like, just wait for it to get over 15, because what you want to see have happen here is you want it to break 15, you want it to come back, consolidate, and then you want it to rip higher. This is going to be your entry here, and you want to take profits into this $20 range. You want to leave a runner, but never did that. And I think that they had bought here, and then I haven't looked at this stock in so long. But look at, I had drawn another support down here at 730, right? So we gapped down, we consolidated, we pushed back up to, where do we push? $15, guys. $15. Technical analysis, supply and demand, it works. We could not get back over this level. I'm sure a lot of people got trapped in this area. Came back down to the 753, gapped below it, and this stock is trading at $2.10. It's $2.10. Well, now it's $2.44, but it's so crazy to think how high these stocks were trading. Now, does Wish ever come back? Maybe to 7, maybe to 5, maybe to 14, right? I mean, this is a big area. But what I'm saying is that, if you think back and you go back to history, go back to the dot-com bubble, there's a lot of stocks that never came back. There's a lot of stocks and companies that went out of business. There's a lot of stocks in that time that lost the 200-day moving average, and they stayed below it. We're talking 20, 21 years later, and they're still underneath their 200-day moving average. Guys, it's sad as it is, this stock could essentially, and I don't know anything, right? But imagine this stock could essentially, for the lifetime, stay between $2 and $7. Like, maybe 5, 10 years from now, that it's no longer in business. Not saying that could get bought out, could merge, could, be the next Amazon. I don't know, but I'm just saying, right? Like, it's just so crazy to look back how far we've come in a year. Nothing, no real technical analysis here. There's no trade on Wish. I don't see nothing. Okay. Before you ask, is there a trade on Wish? I don't see nothing on Wish. I would not touch it, but I just thought it was, I thought it would be pretty cool to like go back and like think about some of the stocks that, we were trading. I traded Wish. Actually traded Wish closer to 1820, right? In this range. I think I probably, just by looking at technical analysis, I don't know exactly what day it was, but like, maybe I caught this breakout here, played the rejection off the 20. I know I did short it one time under the 15 when it got rejected. Could have been this time, or it also could have been this time. But you know, it's just so crazy to think that like back in this time, like we didn't think, like there was a lot of people that were just like, this is coming back, it's going to 69. I heard so much stuff and crap on the internet, right? Like, I mean, and to think, you know, in a year's time from 29 to $2, this is not like, oh, the shorts, oh, the suits, oh, you know, retail versus institutions. No, man, this stock should have never been here. Stock should have never been here. Maybe in this range, you know, up and down, up and down, up and down, but it should have never been here. It's just so crazy to look back at some of these stocks. Let me know if you guys ever traded Wish. Did you guys trade Wish in the heyday? I think we all did. I think we all made some money on that. Probably all lost some money on it too as well. Just kind of crazy to look back at some of these stocks. Until next time, guys, subscribe to my channel. This was not like a real serious technical analysis video, so I don't want no one taking this video and being like, well, should I buy it down here because it's so low? I mean, I guess. Like if you were to take a stab at this and buy Wish at $2, just understand that you can be between $2 and $4 for the next year, 2 years, 3 years, and then you know essentially never do anything. So I would never tell anyone to like start looking at this stock. There's no momentum on it. It's pretty much a dead stock at this point in time. But with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys all in the next trading video.